Echo News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
Big up the diaspora them. People of Canada, London, New York. Yo, what's up Jamaica? It's your street reporter. Echo straight from the heart of the streets, bringing you the hottest, realest, breaking news right now. Listen up. You're tuned into Echo News Jamaica. We not pick no side, but we bring the fire, the facts, and the voice of the street. Let's dive into today's top stories. Loud, clear, and full of vibes. And seeing ace. Aleka. Some say enough is enough. Them need to lock it down now. Safety first, but why ban it completely? Regulate it better. Fix up the bridge. Echo say the bridge is more than concrete. It's culture, it's danger. It's a decision waiting to happen. Wants full transparency on feed hiring process. Carders cool-headed. Maybe it's just bureau this year the full story. Nah, transparency build trust, the street watching close. And everybody I want the same thing, fairness. Carib Cement drops us far to in an investment locally. Carib Cement drops us a start an investment locally. Front construction workers, a real game changer. More jobs, more building. Just hope the money reach. We are not just stay in a boardroom. Whether it's concrete or credibility, this one building pressure. Warmington come with what a the concrete. To the length for class silkway leads. Champion the Spranachan, the Placity, a reduce reliance of imports from construction workers. A real game changer. More jobs, more building. Just hope the money reach. We are not just stay in a boardroom. Whether it's concrete or credibility. Build a teeth of reality. Wait a fair the seat of those, and let's see for God listening. Warmington come and Drax Westmoreland. Upstairs for reports that MP Everard Warmington told voters to close your eyes and vote for wholeness. The comment is under fire from many corners. The statement of madness, people need to open them eyes, not shut them. But a few defending. It's just politics. Everybody exaggerate one platform and the heat of politics. Words of weight, the street a buzz, and every voter listening. Brownstown starts work on new health center. Heard the up several reports a major step forward as ground breaks in Brownstown for a new health facility. About time. We need healthcare closer to home. Me hope them finish it and keep it stocked, not just pretty announcement. Construction start, hope building, community watching every block laid. Green Island, I get new traffic lights. On its over report, safety wins big as traffic lights are installed outside Green Island High School. Me glad, the child can cross safe now. But some elders whisper lights good, but drivers still need to obey them. But no reads caprose ahead, but rules need to follow too. I'll PL Cork food awards, dazzling nation. The Observer reports that the Table Talk Food Awards is a with glitz and flavor at King's House. From the scene, big up to the chefs, real creativity and flair. Looks fancy. Hope some of the small cooks get spotlight too. Food a culture, food a class. And last night, both serve at. We not take side, we bring the vibes from uptown to downtown. From rural to the ring road, Jamaica full of passion. And echo they have to echo the people. Like, share, subscribe. This a Echo News Jamaica, where the street talk mixed with real tie. I see you next time. Same vibes, same fire, always neutral.